Hey guys, do the wrap up. I changed the card on this. Hopefully, I mean sometimes it wouldn't even last 30 seconds before it froze up out there. So it was really tough making videos. I tried to get a video of everything I found, and I did pretty good. I mean, I got a ton of stuff here. I mean, this is, you can imagine the garbage that comes with this much stuff. I mean, the garbage is always 10 times more, usually, anyways. In a yard like this in particular. Let's get right into it. I mean, that's all the clad. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pennies, 1 dime, 1 quarter. That's it. So I was told this place was hunted out, and maybe they hunted all the clad out. They certainly didn't hunt it out. I did get 4 wheat pennies. I thought I had 5. Maybe one floating around in my bag or something. We'll go. All right, my first wheatie I just dug. The previous hole was the cap gun, which is right here. Right here. Wheat penny. I'm liking it. Nice. Looks like a 54. The back looks kind of really good. All right. Or the front, I should say. All right. Wheat penny number 2. Haven't turned it over yet. 1954D. Another wheatie. This one's a little older. It's a 1935. Looks like a 1944 wheatie. Boy, this one was deep under a root too. It was hard to get out. I had to work for that one. I think that's my 4th one of the day. I 4 though. And the cats are fighting still. And here I got a V-nickel. Very happy because it was a crap signal. It was a bottle cap. It was a big fat nail and some other metal garbage, and then this just happened to come out with the pinpointer. You know, keep digging out of the hole, digging the nails out of the hole. Right. I thought this was something else. I wasn't sure. Seen the reef on the back? It is a V-nickel though. All right. No silver today. Man, I've been digging forever. My arms are tired. They're shaking. It says 1909. I think I'm going to call it on this one. I mean, this is only 50 yards from my front back door, so I'll be going again. Great day. Incredible finds for being hunted out, especially. All right, it froze, so I'm not sure how deep into it. I'll go back to the V-nickel. Very excited to get that. I think that's where I was. This was actually my first find of the day. There's a anchor on it. I want to say this is a watch fob, maybe. I'm not sure. This thing, by the time I got home, had fallen off, but it was connected. So it made it kind of weird. Usually goofy things like this are watch fobs. It's got an anchor on it. It's pretty cool. I like it. That's for sure, regardless what it is. I'm not sure. So, anybody knows what this is, let me know. Alright. Nice, walkable new permission. I finally got the courage to ask these people. I've always wanted to hunt here, but never had the courage. This is about my 3rd hole, and this is something very cool, very old. It looks like some kind of maybe a watch fob or something. It's got a anchor on one side. It's chained together still. It's really cool. Awesome. Yeah. Huge yard too, so hopefully this is the beginning of something new. Right, so hey, you got a cool Jeep. Nice. Cleaned up pretty well. It's got all 4 tires. It's always a big thing. I don't see a maker's mark. There may be something up. No, that's the grill. I don't see anything. Yeah, buddy, it's Jeep time. Woohoo! Yeah. Love me some Jeeps. Got a pocket knife. If you recognize that symbol, is that an old timer or? Not sure. It's definitely old. Looks like the blade was opened. I didn't find the blade. It's probably just rusted off to pieces. Knife. So a little bit of the scales left. Pretty decent sized pocket knife. All right. Had fallen out before I got home and I just stuck it back in. Let me say that again. The ball was loose in the hole, so I found it like this. The ball was loose in the hole. I found this, and then I stuck it back in, just like I'm doing now. So I guess being in the ground somehow it got separated. It looks like an M16 round to me. Can't tell because, you know, it's still on the clip. I think I want to leave it on the clip. So, pretty cool. How about this? I don't know if this is a hat pin or what. Check it out. Check out the back. Now this is kind of weird. Kind of thick for a pin. I'm not sure. Very elaborate. I like it. Nice. I don't know what it is, but it's nice. Looks like a giant hairpin maybe, or look at it. Look at it. Look at the design. It's a monster too. All right. Nothing. I haven't had one good signal all day with all the stuff I found. It's all. I like it a lot. All right, let's see. I got a nice lid here. It says A Century of Progress, and then it says Chicago. And it actually has a date on it. It says 1933. So makes it easy when things have dates on it, right? I like that. Harmonica. Hey, the camera's holding up pretty good. I'm happy. Harmonica, almost entirely. Just missing the scales. Got the little. The reeds are decent. I found some whole harmonicas. Alright, guys, I got a nearly complete harmonica. It's pretty cool. Just missing the outside case, and I actually got a little bit of it there. I might pry around in here and use my pinpointer, see if I can find any more of the actual casing of it. I found whole harmonicas before. So, when he's a kid, he's in his 60s, so, but before that, there was a house there that burnt down, so this is basically where all this is coming from, where that burnt down house was, and it's really trashy. There's a pocket watch. Back of one. Now I thought maybe this was the front of it, because this is another pocket watch. But that's not to be, because I do have a little bit of the back there, and I don't have anything missing on this one, so. Pretty cool. I got the 10, the 9. There's the back. Usually I just get the backs. I never get this part. So now I get this part and there's no back. What the heck? I could just go like that and call it a watch. Call it good for the day. I like that. Alright, just got an old pocket watch. It's funny, this time I got the guts, but not much of the outside. Usually it's the other way around. I get the backs. I still got a little rim. I'm finding little pieces. I'm stacking them on my shovel here. I can't find the back though. There is some glass up there. It's where the glass. I'm not gonna take that, I guess. I'm gonna try to keep. I got signals in here. I'm gonna have to keep trying to find the back. It doesn't look good. So it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at the back though. All right.
Alright, my second pocket watch is within a 15-foot area. There's the impression. There's the hole. This one's got like a stemmy thing on it. I've never seen one. I mean, I've seen people get these, but I've never seen one. Looks like I got the back for sure. And I'm going to wait. And it looks like the guts are missing. Now, the one I found was kind of gold plated. I don't think this is the back to it. It possibly could be. I mean, they're about 10 foot apart.
Gun. The barrel, they were separated a few feet.
Cap gun? Yes, I'm about, oh man, maybe 10, 15 yards, if that, from where I got that pocket watch. And look, I don't know what it is. I can see jewels, I can see gold. Well, my camera keeps quitting. I can't film very long. I'll film as long as I can before I clean it up. It's got weight, but it's just, there's no way it's gold. Wouldn't think. Not sure what it is. It's elaborate. A lot of jewels on the front. I like it.
Here, look at this. This is probably my best find. Look at that. Yeah! It's got some weight to it. It feels like gold. Looks like gold. There's no, kind of. It's gold in color. Look at the back. Fancy, fancy. Not sure if it's a brooch or what. I don't see anything that broke. Look at all the colors, man, and those rubies, diamonds, gems. Nice and gaudy. I love it. So yeah, it's a great hunt for being hunted out, huh? Little